Installing a front M.2 drive cage and drive backplanes. Install the M.2 backplane in the drive cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the M.2 backplane. Install the controller board in the drive cage. Make sure that the boot backplane contacts are fully seated in the connector on the controller board. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the controller board. Connect the power and signal cables to the controller board and M.2 backplane. Install the front M.2 drive cage in the chassis. Connect the power and signal cables to the system board assembly. For configurations with E3.S drives or CMMs, install the extension top cover on the chassis. Install the top cover. Install the 2 hot swap M.2 drive assemblies in the front M.2 drive cage.